Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video. And yes, this is Triple Play Saturday round 3 and we're gonna end it in a unique way. Let's check it out. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video. And today we got a unique watch face for you all to check out. Now the name of the watch face is called Animated Infinity Blue Glowing Analog. It's an analog watch face, and in the always on mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look. The only difference is you're not going to have the animation going on in the background. Now, when the watch face is on, very different, very unique. I think it's worth the price in the Gift Manager store, which I paid 99 cents for. It's not a bad deal for a unique watch face at all. Thought you may like this one, and that's why I made the cut. All right, you all, that's going to be the end of Triple Play Saturday. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you liked all the watch faces that were reviewed today. And if you did, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. Continue to enjoy your weekend. Party like it's 1999. Relax, have fun, and most of all, as always, please be safe. All right, you all, I'm going to see you all at the next video. Take care.